Hi, if you found this video today, it's no coincidence. I'm sending you waves of unconditional love and light. Today, I have a channeled message that's been waiting to reach you. It's a reminder that you are exactly where you need to be in this moment. You're in tune with the frequency of your desires, even if it doesn't feel like it yet. Sometimes, it might seem like the life you dream of is out of reach. You might feel stuck, like your manifestations are taking too long. But let me assure you, you are on the right path. The universe is aligning everything perfectly for you. The work you've put in, the affirmations, the actions, the energy shifts, they are all leading you to where you need to be. You've been diligently doing the inner work. You've been affirming your desires, taking inspired actions, and raising your vibration. You've been healing old wounds and nurturing yourself with love. This dedication is not going unnoticed. I'm incredibly proud of you. But now, it's time to take the next step. This new chapter is about aligning more deeply with the frequency you've been cultivating. Patience is a virtue in the manifestation process. Just as Rome wasn't built in a day, your dreams require time to unfold. The quantum field is constantly rearranging itself to match your internal state. Your job is to maintain the energy and trust the process. It's like planting a seed and waiting for it to sprout. Beneath the surface, profound transformations are taking place. If you're seeing this, it's a sign that everything is happening for you. The waiting period you're experiencing is not a delay, but a divine timing. This message is here to confirm that as long as you stay true to the vision of your highest self, you will witness incredible results. This is a time to deepen your trust and faith in the process. The right people, opportunities, and circumstances are being drawn to you. You are entering a phase of powerful alignment. As you continue to radiate your unique frequency, you are becoming a magnet for the life you desire. Think of yourself as an alchemist, transforming your reality with your energy. This is your superpower, your ability to turn lead into gold. You've taken control of your story. You're no longer bound by past limitations. This is your time to shine. And guess what? You don't need any more techniques or strategies. You are already a powerful creator. Your consistent energy, focus, and belief are enough. Trust that your inner work is bringing about the outer changes you seek. You are tapping into your divine energy. Your emotions, mindset, and frequency are all aligned with your higher self. The initial spiritual awakening you experienced was just the beginning. It brought you face to face with your shadow aspects, but you've embraced and healed them. You've turned your challenges into opportunities for growth. No matter the negativity or hate you've encountered, you've chosen love over fear. This resilience has prepared you for this next awakening, one where you connect deeply with your divine nature. You are now seeing your limitless potential and stepping fully into your power. It's like a phoenix rising from the ashes, reborn and stronger than ever. After watching this video, be open to the signs. You'll start noticing synchronicities, receiving insights during meditation, and having vivid dreams. These are confirmations from the universe that you are on the right track. Embrace these moments as they guide you towards your highest potential. The universe is communicating with you in unique ways. For the next 21 days, I want you to start each day with a powerful affirmation. Say, I am blessed. I am connected with my higher self, and I am consciously creating the reality I desire. Repeat this throughout the day. This isn't just a routine, it's a declaration of your divine power. You're reprogramming your subconscious mind to align with your highest truth. This journey isn't about striving or struggling. It's about deciding with clarity and conviction what you want to create. You have the power to become it. Embrace your dreams, no matter how big they seem. You are here on a divine mission to show that transformation is possible. Your life is a testament to the power of conscious creation. Manifestation, personal development, and awareness are your tools. Use them to build a life filled with magic and possibility. You're already on the next step of your journey. Stay persistent. The gap between your current life and the life of your dreams is closing. You are building a bridge between these realities, and soon you'll walk across it. Keep focusing on your highest potential. When challenges arise, choose love over fear. Don't let negativity or limiting beliefs distract you. Focus on positivity, on who you truly are and who you are becoming. You are ready to spread your wings and soar. Embrace your new reality with confidence and grace. The power is within you. All the answers you seek are already inside you. Spend time in meditation. Ask the divine for guidance and trust in your inner wisdom. Even when the world seems harsh, continue to radiate love. Your past does not define you. Focus on the present and the future you are consciously creating. Demand the life you desire now. Step into your role as a conscious creator. Persistence and consistency are your allies. Soon, you'll see the shifts in your reality. If you're watching this, it's a sign that change is imminent. I promise you, it's all unfolding in your favor. You are a beacon of light, illuminating the path for others. In this journey, your emotions are your compass. They guide you towards your true path. Find joy in everyday moments. Appreciate the little things that bring you happiness. Whether it's a warm cup of tea, a breathtaking sunset, or a heartfelt conversation, these moments elevate your vibration and align you with your desires. Neville Goddard teaches that our imagination is the key to manifesting our desires. According to him, we should vividly imagine our desired outcomes as if they have already happened, feeling the emotions and sensations of that reality. By consistently practicing this technique, we align our subconscious mind with our goals, bringing them into our physical reality. So, as you embark on your manifestation journey, remember to use your imagination to create and feel your desired life, knowing that this is a powerful step in bringing your dreams to fruition. Visualization is a powerful practice. Spend time each day visualizing your ideal life. See it in vivid detail as if it's happening now. Feel the emotions of living your dream life. This practice aligns your subconscious mind with your conscious desires. Remember, the universe responds to the energy you emit. Gratitude is another key component. Keep a gratitude journal and write down 3 things you're grateful for each day. This simple practice shifts your focus from lack to abundance. It opens your heart and raises your vibration. The more grateful you are, the more reasons you'll find to be grateful. It's a powerful cycle of positivity. Taking care of yourself is crucial. Your physical well-being affects your mental and emotional state. Eat nourishing foods, get adequate rest, exercise regularly, and engage in activities that bring you joy. Self-care isn't selfish, it's essential. When you feel good, you're in a better position to create and manifest your desires. Surround yourself with positive influences. Be mindful of the energy around you. Choose to spend time with people who uplift and inspire you. Limit your exposure to negative news and toxic environments. Create a space that reflects peace, joy, and abundance. Your environment significantly impacts your vibration and mindset. Set clear, specific goals. Write them down and create a plan to achieve them. Break your goals into manageable steps. This approach makes them more attainable and keeps you motivated. Celebrate each milestone, no matter how small. Every step forward is progress towards your dream life. Embrace your journey and trust the process. There will be highs and lows, but every experience contributes to your growth. View challenges as opportunities to learn and evolve. Trust that everything is happening for your highest good, even when it doesn't seem like it. The universe has a divine plan for you, and you are always supported. Always return to love. Love is the highest vibration and the most powerful force in the universe. When you act from a place of love, you align with divine energy and create miracles. Practice self-love, show love to others, and let love guide your actions. Love is the key to unlocking your potential and living a life of fulfillment. Thank you so much for tuning in and sharing this moment with me. Remember, you are a powerful creator and your dreams are within reach. If this message resonates with you, please like, comment, and subscribe to stay connected. I love hearing from you and supporting you on your journey. Until next time, keep shining and manifesting your highest potential. Sending you all my love and light. See you in the next video.